I know what this looks like right now, because it looks just like all those other girls and boys trying to do their own haircut. We'll see. Guys, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Alright guys, I'm so excited. Did you see all the plans? So I think the next few days I need to play around. I'm still lack of one set. He will bring it over to us, and he gave us another extra cactus, which is so cute. Look at this. So cute. Right here. One here. Perfecto. Perfecto. Talking to my mom on WeChat. This is like the only platform we're able to chat with each other, but it's mainly just for some work stuff. She's helping me to pack something. That's pretty much my morning. I'm about to leave soon once I finish these test messages, and I'll see you guys later. Hi! We are currently on our way to the historic downtown area because there's a market over there, and we went there last time. And today is supposed to be for a Halloween costume hunt, so wish us luck. We got here. We got our costume today, and right now I'm just gonna cut out these two things just because, you know, it's not something religious, it's not a character about religion, and I'm simply getting this outfit because I was out of options, and this one looks the most close to Wednesday's outfit, so we'll see. Alright guys, let me try this out. Oh, my stick on it. Oh, look at this. I don't even need scissors. I can just rip it off. There we go. I do miss Taobao for this. If you know what's Taobao, you know if you know. It's just so much different. Alright guys, by this time you probably could already tell what character I'm playing. Hopefully you could. But the big project right now is to fix my hair, you know, and my band is way too long now and I couldn't find a wig. You gotta go all in, right? So I'm gonna do that, and obviously by the Halloween day I will replace these hairband into black so people can't see. but I'm gonna take you with me when I'm doing this stupid thing. Hopefully I don't mess up. So, fingers crossed. So essentially, the haircut look is gonna look like this, and I'm gonna go with my idea of fixing my hair in the past with lots of experiences. So we'll see how it goes. My more complex haircut tools were thrown away because we're moving over, and if you're gonna ship things, those are considered, you know, dangerous stuff, so you can't ship it. So I can't use that. So my tool tonight is gonna be this. I know. Okay, so I follow this YouTuber. Oh man, I forgot his name. But I'm gonna put his channel information in my description box. But he's like very good hair stylist. He does reactions to a lot of these DIY self-made haircut. I know what this looks like right now because it looks just like all those other girls and boys trying to do their own haircut. We'll see. Guys, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Like my video, please. On that day, for sure you need eyeshadow, tons of black eyeshadow, and then eyeliners. But I hope you guys enjoy this clip. Thank you. Yeah, so our community is putting out this poster, which I'll show you here, and on it you can sign up to be able to have kids coming over to trick-or-treat on the Halloween day or before Halloween day. And so I got all these candies.